Hola amigos, welcome to One Click University, where knowledge is just a click away. I'm Captain Jack and I'll act as a guide in this journey where the viewers will learn various courses which the industry demands. I'd quote my doppelganger over here: all treasure is not silver and gold, mate. The biggest treasure is knowledge. So, what are we going to learn in this channel? We'll make we'll be making industry grade PCBs. But how are we going to do that? Which software are we going to use and why? All these questions will be answered in this video. So, the preferred software that we'll be studying is the Proteus Design Suite by Lab Center Electronics. This software is used by some major companies to manufacture complex, even multi-layered PCBs for their products. There are even some other similar softwares which are famous, but according to my personal experience, Proteus is good for starters to understand and easy to learn than any other software. It is easy to simulate, understand any what-if conditions. Making of devices can also be done in the same software, and much more interesting things like getting your favorite drinks can be done using this software. Of course, the last one was just an exaggeration, but whatever you need to make a PCB can be done using this specific software. So, what we'll be studying in this course? Let me show you some of my bounty. This is the schematic of a circuit. Over here on the screen, we first do the simulation and then proceed with adding header pins or whatever the design requires to accomplish the PCB requirements. Once the header pins or whatever self-designed devices are added, the software cannot carry out simulation due to the lack of simulation models and stuff that is a bit complex and time consuming. Savvy? Once the schematic diagram is completed, we move towards the PCB designing of our product. This is the part where you can make a PCB according to the product size requirements. Now, while designing a PCB, there are some design constraints to be followed. These will be taught simultaneously in the library which is named as theory lectures. After the PCB is designed, the 3D simulator helps checking how the PCB will look with and without the components, the color in which the PCB is going to be made, and the spacing of the components. Everything can be designed more precisely by looking at the 3D simulation. Then finally, we'll learn how to take the outputs, creation and viewing of Gerber files. So I'll just show you the screen of Proteus. This is the schematic that we have made. These are the interfaces that I said. After this, after placing these, we cannot simulate the models, these connectors and all. Then we have the PCB design. We have designed this board on two layers, that is the top and the bottom copper layers. We can include up to 14 more layers, that is 16 total layers can be designed in Proteus software. Then we have the 3D visualizer where we can view how our circuit will look after manufacturing and after placing the components. So all these things we'll be learning in this specific course that will be taught by your favorite captain, Captain Jack. After that, matey, you will be able to design PCBs with the same accuracy or even more accuracy than me. But by then, I'll move ahead, learn something new, and maybe start distributing some other treasures. And that will be the moment, bucko, you'll remember as the day when you had almost caught up with Captain Jack. So, stay tuned to learn the complete course of PCB designing using Proteus. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with the industry required and trending courses. Till then, see ya, Felicia.